Or they pick up and film. Alright, as you can see from the road that we are at Spanish Bridge in Uchi. Had to bring the family here, of course. Son ready to jump in the water. Look how clear the water is today. Careful, son. So he's checking out how clear the water is. What do you think, boss?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
No matter what time I come here, it's be amazing. Spanish Bridge, man. The old Spanish Bridge. Come on, man. Wait. You going back up, yes? There it is. So I remember coming here over 10 years or more ago when it wasn't so popular. We kind of found it, and through the videos and posting on Instagram, it started to get popular. And now there are videos and TikToks of here being crowded, the whole bridge being crowded on weekends. That's why we kind of come today, so it's not so crowded. But check how clean that water is. Amazing. Really, really nice. Alright, so we're all changed. If you can see them there in their clothes, life jackets. And we're going into the water. Can't wait. Up on the bridge, the old Spanish bridge, and my son wants to do the swing. You ready? Yes. 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Nice! Like himself. Nice. It's getting in the afternoon. They want to do another bridge, you know, crossing underneath. So I'm gonna get them from up here. Look them walking down. Son, don't attack the goat. You're comfortable. So I'm taking you over. We all changed. We have this nice portable changing room that works really well. Thanks to Okar from back in Trinidad. Really appreciate that present. And we're all ready to go from the old Spanish bridge. So how was it, guys?
It was fantastic.
It was good?
Really fun.
Yeah, really, really good. So we're gonna head back down the road now.